Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the exact Google account that owns the channel. This ensures you have permissions. Once signed in, click your avatar in the top right and choose YouTube Studio to open the dashboard. Make sure the channel you want appears in the top left. If not, switch accounts. You need basic channel details ready: name, description, profile, and banner images, because you'll update those next. This saves time and prevents accidental edits to the wrong channel. Once in Studio, go to Customization. This is where you control identity. In Basic Info, edit the channel name and channel URL if eligible, and update links that show on your page. Then move to Branding to replace your profile picture, banner, and optional video watermark. These assets appear immediately across YouTube. If you need language, country, or topic tags, open Settings right arrow channel and fill in details. Make sure to save each tab so changes apply consistently across desktop and mobile. After editing, click Publish so every change saves. This finalizes updates and starts propagation. Once published, check both mobile and desktop to confirm visuals and text updated. Sometimes a browser cache shows the old version, so clear cache or use an incognito window. If you can't change a name or URL, confirm the channel is verified and that you have sufficient permissions. For example, brand accounts have different roles. If issues persist, wait a few minutes and try again, then recheck permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.